All right, Coney, why don't we look at Astrovault and how to swap on that platform as well?
All right, I am on Astrovault, a DEX built on the Archway blockchain, and I'm up here at astrovault.io, and I guess I should just go ahead and connect my wallet to get things kicked off.
Yeah, that's a good first step. We have Kepler, right?
Yeah, we're using Kepler right now. All right, I'll go ahead and approve this Kepler pop-up. I'll go ahead and approve this Kepler connection to the Archway blockchain because that's where Astrovault lives. Permit authentication. What does this mean, Emery?
Yeah, that just lets Astrovault be able to have that extra layer of security by checking your wallet. So by creating a permit, you just kind of have that little extra layer of security there. So I think that's a good idea. So why don't we just go ahead and do that?
All right, create permit. And then I'll go ahead and confirm that Kepler transaction.
It's free.
Ooh, I like that. I love a free gas fee. Love a free gas fee. All right.
Awesome.
We're up in the vault. We're up in the Astro Vault.
So it looks like you have some Arch there on Astrovault, which is great because we need that to transact on Astrovault.
Amazing.
So why don't we head over to trade on that left-hand side there?
All right, I'm gonna go over and click on the trade tab, and it's gonna take me to the swap page. All right, this looks a little familiar, Emery.
Yeah, it makes it DeFi makes it really easy just to swap things because the UI is kind of familiar for a lot of swaps. So why don't we go ahead and find that Arch we have up there?
All right, and then I see it right here, right at the top in alphabetical order. Amazing.
There you go. And why don't we say we swap right back for Jackal like we did last time, just in the other way around.
All right.
Okay, looks like we got about 14 Arch there. What do you say we swap about half of that for Jackal?
All right, let's swap 7 Arch. And then we'll get back 1.2350 Jackal. Amazing. And then I'll go ahead and click the trade button, get that kicked off. Confirm the transaction. Approve.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that was fast, eh?
Boom. Trade successful. Then maybe I'll just
let's go back to that dashboard. There we go.
You read my mind. And there we go. I got 1.235 Jackal inside of Astrovault.
Yeah, and Astrovault is just another dApp that we use to trade for Jackal, and I'd say that was pretty easy.
Emery, hypothetical situation. I want to get this Jackal off of Astrovault. I want to withdraw it back to the original Jackal chain. How do we do that?
Yeah, we can do that pretty easily. So if you see the Jackal icon over there, if you go to that little menu button over to the right underneath Actions, click that.
Oh,
and then it looks like we need to approve a transaction. There we go.
It's just requesting a connection to Jackal. We love Jackal. Of course, we're to approve the transaction.
So if we want to withdraw it back to the Jackal chain, why don't we go ahead and click that withdraw button there?
Withdraw.
And let's just withdraw, all of our Jackal. Let's hit that max button.
Max it up. And then, boom, I will withdraw all. All right, we'll go ahead and confirm this IBC transfer. That's going to send our Jackal from the Archway chain back to the original Jackal native chain.
That takes just a minute.
Boom.
There we go.
IBC transfer successful. Let's go ahead and check that back out in the old Kepler wallet up here and just see what is up. Let's see if we got a little bit more Jackal up in there. There we go.
Looks like it worked.